Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install n8n locally on your machine using Docker Desktop. So first head to Google and look for download Docker Desktop just like this, and then click on the first link, and here we are on Docker Docs, and here you have to choose your operating system. For example, in my case I have Windows, so I will click on Docker Desktop for Windows button, and here as you can see the download started. But in my case I have already downloaded and installed Docker Desktop on my Windows. And then we need to go to images. Here we have containers, images, and volumes. We need to go to images, then go to the search bar here and look for n8n image, and then you need to pull the n8n image by clicking on this pull button right here. So this will take some time, of course, so that's why I have already pulled this image, as you can see here. Then you have to click on the run icon button right here, click on it, and here we have to set up the container configuration. So we have to configure the container. So first we have to name the container. I will name this n8n container like this, and for the port I will just grab this one right here, which is the default port. And for the volume we need to click on these three dots, and here for example on documents you need to create a folder. So for example I will create n8n app, for example. So why we create this folder? Basically because we want to save the data of our container. For example, if you created some workflows and you removed accidentally the container, you won't lose the data, you won't lose the workflows of your that you have already done. That's why we need volumes. Then for the container you need to write this. So write /home, then /node /n8n.n8n. okay, just like this. And in our case we don't need the environment variables, so we just need to click on run button. And here we have an issue. We have like field to run imaged, unexpected conflict, container already used, in use by container. You have to remove or rename the container to be able to reuse that name. So what we will do is we have to change the name of our container, because I have already used this name before. So I need to name this n8n. For example, let's say let's just say n8n. okay, then for the port I will use this one. Then I will select the folder we have just created, which is n8n app, and here for the path choose or write /home /node /n8n. Then click on run button, and as you can see here we are running the container. So then we will get a URL. As you can see here we got this localhost with the port. So click on this, and here we are hosting n8n locally on our machine. So here we need to give this email. So I will give it my email.code@gmail.com. Then for the name I will give this a name. So my name is Muhammad, then say Murah, which is my last name. Then for the password, let me just use this one. Okay, choose or use a strong password, and then click on next. And here just choose whatever you want. So myself, let's say this one, and Google, get started. And here we will get an email from n8n. So let's send me a free license key so we can activate n8n. Now I will go to my Gmail. So this is my Gmail. As you can see here, I got this mail from n8n, and here is the license key. So copy this license key, and you have to come to your account settings here. Then so you have to click on enter activation key here, and then paste this key, then click on activate. And as you can see here, we have this touch to this notification. We have activated our n8n successfully. Then you can add your workflows, of course, and let me add this manual trigger. And that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you learned how you can set up or install n8n on your machine using Docker Desktop. And that's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.